Man, what's good, y'all? I'm gonna give you the 5 best investments you can make right now to save on your taxes immediately. And this applies to the higher tax bracket and even the lower tax bracket. There's gonna be something in this video that you can invest in to save on your taxes that you never heard of before. Now, please know I am not a CPA or tax strategist or tax professional or financial advisor, so consult with your financial advisor or tax professional or tax attorney after this video to see if this applies to you. On another note, I do pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for tax strategists and financial advisors that have given me these investment ideas that I implemented for myself. I'm just letting you know, and I'm just sharing that with you. So number 1 on the list for the best investment you can make to save on your taxes right now is investing in major films. Now, this applies to my higher tax bracket people, and it could also apply to my lower tax bracket people as well. So how it works is I can invest in a major film and save a load in taxes. Basically, if I invest $100,000 on a major film, I can get a $400,000 deduction. If I invest $150,000, I can get a $600,000 deduction. If I invest $200,000, I can get a $800,000 deduction write-off. It's only a write-off and deduction for the federal, not the state. Okay, and especially here in California, we pay a load of taxes. I'm gonna have to pay taxes for California, but for the federal, it's 0. So for example, if I make $800,000 a year and I invest $200,000 in this major film, I get an $800,000 write-off deduction off my federal taxes, okay? But California, I gotta pay. If you live in Florida, where they don't charge state taxes, then you're good. Now, I have these connects because of the tax strategists and financial advisors that I hired to invest in these major films. And I'm sure if you guys find the right tax strategists and whatnot and the right financial team, they can get you the opportunities to invest in major films. You just got to be a little resourceful, that's all. Now, number 2 on the list, we'll call this the business essentials. Now, my higher tax bracket people already know what this is, but it's a great reminder, right? But this is for all tax brackets, okay? Anything you do that relates to business is a deduction. Let's say, for example, I'm a content creator, right? This camera that I just bought cost $5,000. That is a deduction. That is a write-off. Let's say I buy a laptop for my content creating, for editing videos. Let's just say the laptop is $2,000. That's a write-off. I could deduct that whole $2,000 off my taxes. Let's say I have a business meeting with a content strategist or maybe a videographer. My bad, it's LA out here, man. It's crazy in the streets. But and we go to this restaurant and we talk about content strategy with a videographer or maybe a collaborator, someone I'm going to collaborate on a video or have him or her featured in a video, and we talk about the plans of how to make this content and what's the strategy. That whole business meal at that restaurant is a write-off, is a deduction. Anything related to the business is going to be an investment and a deduction. Damn, the streets are lit right now. It's all good though. Now, for the 3rd best investment you can make to save on your taxes is called the Austa Rule. And how this works, damn, my arm's getting tired, but how this works is basically, I'm Sam, right? Let's just say I have an apartment, okay? I'm able to rent this out to my S Corp. I can rent this apartment out for 14 days straight to my S Corporation, and you can write off as much as 39,000 doll hairs. 14 days straight, you can rent it out to your S Corporation, to your business. That is crazy. That's a cool little $39K deduction. Like, anyone would love that, right? And I think this could apply to anyone. But make sure you have an S Corp. And I'm not sure if you need an LLC for this. This is why you got to check with your tax professional or legal tax strategist or whatever. Now, the 4th best investment you can make to save on your taxes right now is real estate. I know a lot of people hear this everywhere, right? On YouTube, on social media, on TikTok. No, it does not mean to buy a primary residence. It means to buy a rental property, a short-term rental property. And how this works is basically when you purchase this rental property, you could do something called a cost segregation study, which you can write off the depreciation of the property within 30 years in 1 year. So basically, if you have a $700,000 home, okay, let me just use this as an example. I just purchased a $700,000 home. I think it was like $720,000 in Florida. The cost segregation of depreciation over the 30-year term, the loan term, is about $111,000 that I'm able to write off and deduct off my taxes. Boom. And this could work for anybody. It's for my higher tax bracket people and my lower tax bracket people if you want to buy a short-term rental. Now, the 5th best investment you can make to save on your taxes right now is buying or financing a vehicle under your business name. And how this works is, one, okay, the vehicle has to be 6,000 pounds or more, okay? And you have to strictly use it for business. Let's just say, for example, you buy a G-Wagon, right? You finance it, never pay for it cash. Let's just say you finance a G-Wagon, you put like 20K down, the car costs like 185 grand. You can depreciate that car and deduct about 60% of that. So that 20K you put down, you can actually depreciate, what is 60% of 185,000? You can depreciate about $111,000 That's a deduction off your taxes, y'all. You can finance or you can lease. Let's just say you go to the lease route, right? Let's just say, for example, this is a lease right here, right? Let's just say I put 120K down. I pay $5,000 a month for this. This is under my business name. I strictly only use it for business. That's it. When I'm making videos, this is a direct function of how I make money. I talk about the cars, show it on my Instagram and my TikTok videos. The down payment I put for the lease, I can write off 15% of that, and I can deduct every lease monthly payment that I have for this car for $5,000. So $5,000 I can deduct every month and 15% of this down payment. If it's a lease, I cannot deduct or write off the whole price of the car. For example, this car is almost $400,000. I cannot deduct $400,000 off my taxes, just letting you know. Now, please know all these tax strategies, these investments, to consult with a CPA or a tax professional. Okay, I am not a CPA. I am not a financial advisor. These are things that I've heard from my tax strategists, from my financial advisors that I pay hundreds of thousands of dollars. The things that I said in this video, you probably never heard of before, just saying, but there's a lot of ways to save on taxes, and especially the more money you make. And me, I'm in the top 1% tax bracket, and I gotta pay a load of taxes. So I always have to try to find ways to invest in the right things, so that way I can have a lower tax bill. So just letting y'all know. Now let me give you a quick update on the Lambo. I haven't even, come on y'all, like last time y'all saw it was just probably if you follow me on IG and TikTok or whatnot, but basically what I did is I lowered the vehicle, gave it that nice little drop, look at that, it's fire, gave it a nice Rift exhaust, full titanium, and that's pretty much it because the car's already done up for me, and it's not much I need to add to it. So yeah, that's it. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, and out of all these investments that I just named right now, what is the one that you never heard of before and one that you want to try out? Let me know in the comments below.
I'm still trying to figure it out. Words in my heart, but they just don't come out. Standing with you, but soon to be without. Empty my spirit, know what this about. I know the truth, but I still feel with doubts. Money and power, thought this was the route. I lost so much.